Welcome back everyone. Another very important video on request. Do check the pinned comment section for other film reviews as well. But in today's session here, I am going to review the film 12th Fail, especially for ISC students, classes 11 and 12. How to write ISC directed writing film review. This format is taken from your Total English books. This is the Total English format. The word limit is 300 words. How will you write? How will you begin? 12th Fail. So first write down the name of the movie and then leave one line, write the name of the director. In this case it is VIDHU Vinod Chopra. Don't make spelling mistakes. Write neatly. And then the cast. Mention the names of a few actors from the film. Vikrant Massih, Medha Shankar, Joshi Anand Vijay, Anshuman Pushkar, Priyanshu Chatterjee, Sarita Joshi. Girls and boys, prepare a film review beforehand, because if you are planning to write a film review directly on the spot in the examination hall, then you will face a lot of difficulties. So prepare beforehand. Released theatrically on 27 October 2023, 12th Fail received critical acclaim, emerged a sleeper hit, started streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar from 29 December 2023. In the introductory statement, try to mention the release date of the movie, any movie of your choice. And another thing, many students are often confused whether you must write the review of a film which has released recently or whether you can review any film of your choice. Yes, dear students, the film that you are going to review must not necessarily be released recently. You will have to review a film which you have recently watched, and that film may not have released recently. So there is a difference. Try to understand the difference. Recently watched by you versus film that has released recently. Any film of your choice. So don't worry about that. So this is the introductory statement, and now let's see what I have written. Its brilliance lies in its relatable, compelling narrative and in its treatment of human psychology, exploring themes of resilience. Now what is resilience? Never say die attitude, never give up attitude, grit, determination, hard work, everything falls under resilience. Self-discovery, the triumph of human spirit in the face of adversity, in the face of difficulty. Well, our protagonist Manoj faces multiple difficulties, multiple obstacles. Will he be able to overcome those obstacles? And how does he overcome those obstacles? These are points which are there in the movie. So in the introduction itself, I have mentioned the themes of this particular film. So release date, themes, and then in the second paragraph, change paragraph. In the second paragraph, shift to write the plot of the movie. Brief plot of the movie. Don't give any spoilers. Just write the plot. Based on Anurag Pathak's best-selling book of the same name, this biographical drama depicting IPS Manoj Kumar Sharma's real-life story inspires. This is a critical comment. Inspires. INSPIRES. This is an inspirational, thought-provoking movie. Understood? So you may add this also if you have time to do so and if you are well within the word limit. Inspirational movie, motivational movie, thought-provoking movie. Use words and expressions like this. Our hero belongs to Chambal district village where school teachers help students pass exams by promoting cheating. Well, when the film begins, we see how teachers are helping students to pass exams. Now, another important point which you must highlight in your film review, the genre, the type of the movie. See, here I have mentioned this biographical drama. So, the genre of 12th fail is biography and drama. So, whenever you are preparing any film review, try to find out the genre of that particular movie and write that. It's compulsory. Now, Manoj's father gets suspended from his job for being honest. The honest DSP advises him to quit cheating. So, we have a lot of people who inspire Manoj to be honest. Who are they? Manoj's father, the honest DSP, and we also have Manoj's grandmother, who is a very upright woman. She is strong as a woman. She is strong as a character in the movie, as a matriarch. So this is the turning point. So many positive influences. Manoj is surrounded by a lot of people who are good. Yes, he comes from a background where teachers are helping students to cheat, but there are people who guide him. This is the turning point. How a man from such a humble background sets to crack UPSC with no idea how it is done and manages to survive the most brutal race is what we see in 12th fail. We all know that cracking UPSC examination is not easy. It is one of the toughest things for students to aspire for or to achieve. And how this simple Manoj, this hero of ours, who is not at all worldly wise, who is simple, who is innocent, who is just a young village man, a young village boy, he manages to survive the most brutal race is what we see in 12th fail, the USP of the movie. This is the plot in brief, and now the performance of the actors. Highlight this also. Don't worry, you will get all the pointers in the question. Just go on elaborating the points. You may add 1 or 2 points of your own if needed. Now, here in this paragraph, I will focus on the performances. Vikrant Massey's performance is top-notch. A brief statement, but this statement says it all, that he as an actor has performed brilliantly. Vikrant Massey's performance is top-notch. Medha as Manoj's love interest, outstanding. Each actor breathes life into their characters. There is a harmonious blend of seasoned veterans, there are seasoned actors and emerging talents. There are relatively new actors as well. So there is a harmonious blend. The minor characters, the major characters, everyone performs brilliantly in the movie. So this is the discussion on the performances. Here I'll just do a little bit of correction. Each actor breathes life into his character. Singular verb, into his character. So just rectify this. After that, you will highlight the direction department. As a director, Chopra, VIDHU Vinod Chopra effortlessly uses satire, humor, irony to critique corruption, prejudice against Hindi vernacular as medium of instruction, loopholes of education system at the grassroots level. As a director, Vidhu Vinod Chopra has also done a fantastic job. He captures the vulnerabilities of students, the weaknesses, the hopelessness, the frustrations, the joys of students who fail, fall and rise again using restart as the mantra. And this is inspirational. Repeatedly, restart as the mantra is highlighted in the movie. Restart, restart, restart. So this is for all you students, and not just students. This is for anyone, any person who is trying to achieve a target, who is trying to achieve a goal in any sphere of his or her life. So restart is the mantra. You must not give up. You must work hard with grit and determination. And this message makes this movie so appealing. Now, the technicalities of the movie. The film's visual aesthetics are breathtaking. Cinematography, wonderful. Editing, crisp. Soundtrack, apt. Now, if you are framing your own film review, you may write the name of the editor or the cinematographer. It's your choice. Layers of symbolism enhance the overall impact. A critical comment. And also remember another thing, whenever you are writing a film review, try to use words and expressions which are related to the process of filmmaking or the films in general, like cinematography, editing, soundtrack, moviegoers, box office, and so on, related to films and the process of filmmaking. Coming back to today's discussion, layers of symbolism enhance the overall impact. Manoj working on the flour grinder symbolizes the struggles and tenacity of common people to realize their dreams. The atta chakki is a powerful symbol, and therefore I have highlighted this. Gauri Bhaiya, the mentor, Pritam Pandey, the friend, Shraddha, the lover, are endearing. Dadi deserves mention. As I already discussed a little while ago, Dadi's uprightness is something special. Now, this underdog story, another critical comment. This underdog story, Manoj is the underdog over here. He is poor, he is simple, he is innocent. On top of that, he is 12th fail, a 3rd division in class 12 when he passes. So, he does not have things in his favor. How he manages to turn the table round, to bring everything in his favor is what the film is about. This underdog story, and we all love underdog stories. This underdog story, use this expression if you are reviewing 12th fail. This underdog story strikes the right chord with its portrayal of pain, anger, failure, victory, hopelessness, confidence. So many emotions. And Vidhu Vinod Chopra has done a spectacular job here. And not only is this a satire, not only is this a social critique, we also have themes of love, friendship, family, which play an important role. Mention this also. The chaotic Mukherjee Nagar and the Chambal village present contrasting worlds. Yet, there is no excess. It is not hyperbolic. There is no exaggeration in the movie. Everything is so relatable. Everything is so grounded, reality, so authentic that there is no excess. And now the conclusion. This cinematic masterpiece is highly recommended for movie goers. So I have a word limit and I must finish within the word limit. Therefore, my conclusion is brief, but you must write as a reviewer if you are recommending a movie or if you are not recommending a movie. And in this case, I am definitely recommending this movie. And this cinematic masterpiece, see, another expression related to films, cinematic masterpiece. So everyone, ISC film review directed writing section, the word limit is 300 words and here I have used 317 words. So do a little bit of editing and you are good to go. The whole review will come down within 300 words. If needed, if you want, you may omit the section started streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar and 8 words will be deducted from the count, and based on Anurag Pathak's best-selling novel of the same name, again you may edit that section as well. So minor editing and you're fine to write the film review, this particular film review within 300 words. Don't worry. All the best.